What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. Today we're in Grand Haven, Michigan, and we're getting ready to check out another beautiful home from, you guessed it, Eastbrook Homes. So let me get you outside and I'll tell you all about it. All right, this is the first time I've ever done one of these homes. This is a duplex, and we're gonna be looking at this side right here. This is the Channing plan, and this is the modern farmhouse version of the Channing. This home features 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. And all of that is sitting inside of approximately 2,321 square feet. I'm excited about this. Once I walked inside, it's got one of my favorite features of all times, like that homes can have, you know what I mean? But we'll get there. If you are interested, this home as toured is approximately $534,900. And with that, let's get inside. All right, man, I didn't even realize when I pulled up, I thought it was just a single family home, but I didn't even realize it was a duplex even after walking through here. And then I walked outside, I was like, man, this thing goes forever. It took me a second. But anyway, this is the view that you're greeted with when you do first walk in. I'll go ahead and turn you around, let you check out the whole foyer. You've got these really nice exposed beams right here. And you have the stairwell that goes down to the finished basement, which has one of the additional bedrooms, which we'll get to in a little bit. But just as you walk into the right-hand side, you've got these kind of sleek-looking sliding doors. And the first door leads into the office. Now, I'm sure that you could turn this into a bedroom if you wanted to. But right now it is the office, and it sits up towards the front of the house. And actually back behind us, I like this too. It's kind of hidden by this wall a little bit, but you've got this really nice built-in right here. I think that looks good. And then it's got this nice kind of subtle sea foamy green paint. And I think that's because I'd have to look. I'm not sure which Great Lake we're next to. I know I saw it on the map as I was kind of looking at things last night, but I didn't take a note as to which Great Lake. Shh, don't tell him it's Lake Michigan. He doesn't know yet, though. It's whichever one is over here on the west side of Michigan. But then as we continue to work our way down the foyer, we've got another sliding door, and this one leads into the laundry room. Now this is actually a really sweet looking laundry room. You got the washer dryer hookups right here. Nice little storage cabinet. And one of the things that I like is just this standalone sconce. I don't know why I like it, I just do. But you've got this nice set of built-ins over here on this side too, which looks good. Ooh, this one actually tells you the flex room, the color, that's cool. So it's called, the blue in there is called Singing in the Rain. That's nice. we're gonna have to come back to that. That's the first home that I've seen actually have the paint color listed, which is nice. But then all the way at the end of the foyer, you come into the common spaces. And while all of Eastbrook homes have had kind of a sunroom, this one does it with the 2-sided fireplace. That's what I like. That is my favorite feature of any home. I would love to have a 2-sided fireplace. I just think that they look really cool. And we've seen them done in a number of different ways throughout a bunch of different homes. I've seen them from the interior to the exterior, which is pretty neat. But this one's pretty nice too. And then we'll go ahead and hit up the sunroom. We'll work our way back to the kitchen. But this sits just on the opposite side of the fireplace. All the windows. And of course it's got a nice little setup. Man, this would be just super cozy. And I love how the mantle, it wraps all the way around, which is cool. It's almost as if the top part of the fireplace is just set right on top of it. Ooh, I didn't even notice this either. You've got a little built-in on this side. The sun's kind of bright. Is there one on the other side? No. But that's neat. And then just off of the sunroom, you've got a little patio back here. It's got this big old privacy wall. Get yourself a grill out here. This is nice. It's a balmy 55 degrees this morning. I chunked on the flannel. This is like my favorite shirt. I wish I could wear it year round, but it just gets a little too hot in the summertime, you know what I mean? But it's just so comfy. Anyway, coming back inside, just off of the living room area, you've got the dining room. Nice chandelier hanging over the top of the kitchen table. It's a dining room table. I don't know why I always say a kitchen table. I guess it's still technically part of the kitchen, I guess. But then next to that is the kitchen, and you have this beautiful island right here. You got the reverse tray ceiling. It's almost like a little tan inlay up there, and then these pendant lights. These things are pretty neat too. But anyway, you've got on the front side of the island, of course, you've got the dishwasher, a huge stainless undermount sink, and then I think this is the trash can drawer. Everything's soft close in here. And then on the back side, you've got obviously room for 3 seats, but if you wanted to go with like a stool setup or something like that, you could probably easily fit 4 right there. Then back behind that, you've got the refrigerator with a little coffee bar next to it. The pantry. And then along the back wall, ooh, I think we found it. You've got the gas stove with the range hood, but I think these are spice racks. Nope, this one is just one of those like long pan cabinets. Is this a spice rack? No. But I'm sure you could put those little slide outs in there. That way you can have spice racks on either side. And then you've got a really nice tile backsplash back here too. I'm checking, I was hoping. And then of course, the cabinets, not quite going all the way up to the ceiling, so you could do a little bit of decorating over there if you wanted to. And I like the back side right here. Just adds of this little banister partition wall. Just another little place to put some decorations. All right, so on the back side of the living room, you've got 2 little hallways. This first one right here, this is like your mud room. You've got this cool little hall tree, almost like a floating bench. Looks pretty neat. Then behind this pocket door right here, you've got the half bath, powder room, depending on what you call it. Got the toilet, and then on this side, you've got the single vanity. I think it's a floating vanity. Yep. And then on the opposite side of that, kind of around the corner, you've got a coat closet. And then through this door, you come out into the garage. So you've got the 2 stall door right here, and then on the opposite side, you've got the single stall. So plenty of room, and then back towards the doorway up top, you've got a little access into the attic for some storage. And then around the corner, this other little hallway leads back into the master bedroom. So this sits towards the back of the house, kind of overlooking your porch area. Ooh, I just hit my funny bone on the corner of the dresser. But I'll make sure, if you are interested, I know a lot of people are always asking about different paint colors. I'm going to snapshot a picture of that paint list, and I'm going to put it over in the article for this video at timothyplivingston.com. So I'll leave the link down in the description, and you can go over there, and somewhere on that page will be a list of the different colors and their codes and stuff. Because I find that to be super interesting, because a lot of people, you know, use these homes. This is the pocket door right here that separates the ensuite from the bedroom. But use these homes for inspiration, you know what I mean? So why not have paint colors? I just can't get my hands on them all the time. This is a cool tile on this shower. I don't think we've seen anything like this before. That looks pretty neat. But that goes all the way up to the ceiling. And then you've got the tiled shower tray down on the bottom as well. Then on the opposite side, of course, you've seen the double vanities. You got the toilet next to the shower. I think there's a little linen closet, nice wood shelves. Ooh, and the tile on the floor almost matches what's in the shower. Not quite, but pretty close. And then all the way at the back of the bathroom, you've got the master closet. Again, there's another pocket door right here that separates the closet from the bathroom itself. And then from here, we'll go ahead and work our way downstairs. If you are interested in this model or Eastbrook Homes, you can click that link again right there at the top of the description, or you can go over to timothyplivingston.com, where you can search not only this floor plan, but all the floor plans that we've toured across the country. You can see if they're built in your area. You can filter based off of price, number of bedrooms, square footage, layout, whether you want that master bedroom on the first floor or the second floor, and all that different fun stuff. Go check that out. You can take the tours just like you are right now. Ooh, another fireplace. I didn't even notice this fireplace. I came down here to turn on the lights, and I just kind of glanced over it, but I didn't even notice the additional fireplace. So tons of room down here. It's kind of like a big open bonus area, little game room if you wanted to. It's got these big old windowsills too. So you can definitely let your decorating skills run wild. Then of course, you know, the fireplace, it's got the mantle, nice stone hearth down there, and then you've got the stacked stone surround. And then I also like the built-ins on either side. Not soft close down here though. But again, that's something too easy to get fixed. Let's see, and then there's a little bit of unfinished space down here. There's a couple doors, I think. So this is the first, this is kind of like, I guess, a part of your utility room. So this one houses the sump pump and the water heater and your electrical panel. And then, let's see if we can't find the furnace. There it is. You got your water mains, you got the furnace right here, and then if you did turn this into something, they got a little extra storage up underneath of the stairs right here, already framed up. All right, and then it kind of wraps around a little bit from the game room area. You got another linen closet or game storage closet. Then on the opposite side of the hall, you've got the second full bathroom. This one's got a single vanity and then a shower and tub. And then all the way at the back of the house is the second bedroom. That's nice too, because it's almost, other than this downstairs not having a kitchen, it's like its own separate living space from the upstairs. Like your apartment or something. And I'm sure that might even be something that you could, just thinking, you know, you could probably have them put a little kitchenette or something down here, but into the closet. And then back upstairs. Again, if you do want any more information on this home, you can just find that right there at the top of the description, or you go over to timothyplivingston.com. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. I certainly did. Always love these double-sided fireplaces. But with that, I hope you have a fantastic day. My name is Timothy, and I look forward to seeing your beautiful face in the next one.